Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a new brand that I have discovered, and this is a Taiwanese brand. Personally, I've never heard of it. I asked my friends in Taiwan, they said they think I just asked one person. The person who got this for me, she told me that it might be a new brand. So yeah, okay. My dad was just in Taiwan for the past 3 months. I asked my best friend to purchase this for me so my dad can bring it back. The reason why is they came out with the Lion King eyeshadow palette. It's kind of tiny for a palette, but it's super cute. This is their packaging. Lion King, and I love the shadows over here. It's so cute. And this is the back. As Disney. This product is made in Taiwan, and the brand name is FreshO2, Fresh Oxygen. This is the product. Oh my god, this is so cute. I don't know, I mean, who doesn't love Lion King? It's my childhood, one of my favorites. All of my favorites are usually the one that has animals involved, like 101 Dalmatian, Lion King, Bambi. It's never the princesses. Like, I like animals. I like the princesses, but my favorites will always be the ones with dogs. So, like, 101 Dalmatian is my favorite. And, like, Bambi, the mom died in there. I was really sad about that. For Lion King, the dad passed away. So, I feel like 101 Dalmatian is the one that has, like, happy ending, and also Lady and the Tramp. Anyways, isn't it super cute? And the back, oh, it's upside down. This is so cute. It has like the drawing on top. So my first impression when I got this, I was like, wow, this is a lot smaller than I expected. And also, I thought it's gonna open up like this and has a mirror inside, you know? But it's opening up like this. No mirror inside, which is okay. But I thought it was really unique to open up like this. And oh my god, look at this. I haven't even touched it because I wanted to save it for this video. Isn't that adorable? That's why I didn't want to ruin it. These three are the shimmery colors, and these three are matte. So I want to do a swatch first. By the way, I already primed my face and put some concealer on and have my eyebrows. So today we're just going to focus on the eyeshadow. Let's see, I want to try this gold color first. It feels kind of rough. Some eyeshadow feels really creamy. This is not the texture. Ooh, one swipe. Very pigmented. Let's try this pearl color. This one is hard to see on camera. I have to say, this is the first time I'm trying out a Taiwanese brand for eyeshadow, I believe. Huh. I need to work on that. Alright, and the last shimmery color. Wow. So pretty. Oh my god. The matte color feels really creamy. I saved the best for last. I really don't want to touch it because if I touch it, the lion's gonna go away. Let me try to not touch him. Wow. So we've got very earthy colors. I honestly think this one will be better if it opens up like this and has a mirror in here. So when you're outside, it's easier. You can just like hold it and do your makeup. But if it's like this and you're outside, it's like, oh, you got two things, like you might lose your cap. I might. So I'm going to use this color for the base. It's pretty powdery. I don't really mind that. I know some people don't like it, but I don't care. As long as it's pigmented, I don't mind the powder. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. You can just put this one shade and you're good to go. I would just throw this on and just go to work. Not just this one. These two, I feel like It's a very good everyday color. I'm going to use this color. Ooh, it's very powdery. Not that I care, but I just want you to see. I wanted to put it right here on my crease. I really like this color. It's very earthy. I look dead whenever I apply grayish eyeshadow. I just look dirty. But if it's like brown, earthy, it's fine. I'm gonna go back in with the base color and just run it over to blend a little better. I'm going to use a tiny little bit of red, but I don't want a ton of it. I'm just gonna like slightly dip in and just do like this, like feather it out, and hopefully it just adds the warmth and not like crazy chunk, you know? Ooh, dangy, hold on. Okay. Pretty red. It's not really what I was looking for, but we'll go with that. If you can't tell already, if you watch my other videos, you would know I love red makeup look. And this red I don't have. Usually my red is like a brighter red. This red is more like an earthy red. Has like a brown tone into it. Gently. I want to go back in with this brownish color right here and add it right here at the end. Just add that color back. And then I'm gonna use the shimmery color from the lightest. I'm just gonna use my finger and add it in my inner corner right here. And also like bring it into 1/3 of my lid. This orange one right here. Pop it right in the middle of my lid. Right here. Use the last color that we haven't used. I'm gonna use it on the end, precisely just right here. You might think I'm crazy, but today's my first time trying out this palette. I just want to put everything on. But obviously next time I'm not going to put the entire eyeshadow palette on my eye, but today, for the sake of this video, I'm putting all the colors on my eyelids. I'm just going to use this color, the brown tone color. I really like this color. I'm gonna do my waterline. Add a little bit of red inside, like right here. I'm gonna use this light shimmery color as a highlight and just pop it in the middle of my waterline. Right here. I'm gonna put the shimmery color onto my brow bones. I'm done playing around with this eye palette and I think it turned out pretty nice. For sure, I'm going to utilize these two colors and for my everyday makeup look, because for my work, I don't want to do anything crazy, and these two are just perfect for a natural makeup look. For blush, I'm going to use Clinique in the color number 7 Cola Pop. A little bit on the nose bridge as usual. Don't really want to use bronzer. We'll just use blush only. I feel like I haven't filmed in a very long time. I have been busy working. Yesterday I worked until 8:30. That's why I got to come home early today. And I was like, you know what? There's a good chance for me to film. I miss Becca. I haven't used Becca in a very long time because on a daily basis when I go to work, can't really use Becca. It's very shiny and I don't want to look too shiny for work. Look at that. I love Becca. I think Becca is One of my favorite highlighters. It's just so good, like it's right there. Love it. For my lips, I am going to use Bobbi Brown's Crush Lip Color and Cranberry. I'm not going to do anything crazy. Just gonna blend it out with my finger. That's all I got for you guys today. While I'm filming this, I realized I really need to try out more Taiwanese products, Taiwanese brands. So that will be my new goal. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye! Oh, and follow me on Instagram at Cheryl.Goer. Hi, Brashini! I love you. You're so adorable. By the way, it fits this theme. She is my tiger in the house. Kiki is my panther. She looks like a tiger. Wait, hold on. Tiger is not lion. I'm just kidding. Never mind. It doesn't fit the theme. I'm confused. I'm confused with tiger and lion. This is lion. What am I talking about? I can't believe this is the first time trying out a Taiwanese brand eyeshadow palette. It's been a long day.